62. There is uniform field of intensity E which is shown. How many labeled point will have same electric potential as the fully shaded point? How many will have labeled points have same electric potential as the fully shaded one? Avan, what is the answer of this? Same electric potential means equipotential point in the field.
3, sir.
3, na? This one, this one, this one.
The remaining 3.
3. In one line, it will be always equipotential. So 3. Then 64. Okay. 64.
Excuse me, sir.
Pardon?
In the 62, why not the colored one will be selected?
Which one you are saying? 63 you are saying?
In the 62nd sum,
Why
will not select the colored circle?
Colored circle. See, we have to select the same potential wala point. No? What is meaning of same potential?
Achha, okay.
It is that plane which is perpendicular to this field.
Okay.
Okay. 64. Potential function in electric field is given as V equals to minus 4x square plus 3y square plus 2z. Find electric field at point 1, 0, 2. Okay. So first E is along x will be minus dV upon dx. That will be minus common. Now derivative of this will be minus 8x. This becomes constant, this becomes constant, derivative is 0. So that will be minus of minus 8 into 1. So equals to 8. Now E along y will be minus dV upon dy. That is minus of 4x square will become 0 plus 6y plus 0. So this will be 6 into 0, that is 0. Third one, derivative of v with respect to z. So 4x square is constant, so 0, 0 plus 2, that will become minus 2. Therefore net E will be Ex, which is 8i cap plus 0j cap minus 2k cap. 8i cap minus 2k cap, option D. D is the answer.
Always you have to do like this.
Yes, 3 times derivative with respect to x. When you are differentiating, then x is variable, rest all are constant. Then with y, then with z. If they want magnitude, then root of ex square plus ey square plus ez square. Same rule every time. Then once you complete this, what about 65, 66?
Got
Which one? 66 तक हो गया. 67,
So
60.
67.
67, sir.
1 minute. Doing 67 doing. 68, 69 got?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
67. The figure represents family of parallel equipotential surfaces. That means there are many lines given this way. Family of parallel equipotential surfaces. They are 40, 50, 60, 70. 40, 50, 60, 70 and 80. And 4 paths along which electron is made to move as shown in the figure. What is direction of electric field? Second, rank the path according to work done greatest first. Okay. From here electron is starting, going to this path and comes here. This is first path. See, work done is not path dependent. Huh? It is only initial and final position. Second path. Third is starting from here, going to 60 wala mark. And fourth 70 to 50. What is the direction of electric field first? Field is always from where to where? Do you know? Electric field is from where to where? Yes, any idea from where to where?
Positive to negative.
Positive to negative.
Okay, positive to negative. Second, you should remember potential decreases along the direction of field. These are two possibilities to predict. Potential is decreasing now here. See? Potential is decreasing, correct? That means field is directed in the direction of decreasing field. So it is right or leftwards? Field is in which direction? See, what you said is correct. Potential is from positive to negative. So higher potential is positive and lower potential is negative. Or I told potential decreases in the direction of field. That means this is direction of field. Okay. So where it is right or left?
Right.
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 There, now there are two options, A and C. Now we have to check which is greater. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1 में कौन सा greater है? So option is either A or it can be C. कितने का potential difference है इधर first में? 10 ना? 10 is potential difference. Here also same 10 potential difference. That means work
Yes.
done in first and second are same to same. क्योंकि potential difference same है. अभी 80 to 60 कितना? 20. 70 to 50 also 20.
20 same.
Which is that third and fourth is also same. So at least I got this. Work done in first and second are same. Third and fourth are same. Fourth and second में कौन सा ज्यादा है? Definitely fourth ना? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So work
Yes.
done in third is same as fourth. Fourth is greater than second. Second and first are same. Not followed? Option C. Because work done is nothing but potential difference into the charge. So जिसका potential ज्यादा difference वो work ज्यादा. So answer is very good from this one. C. Then what about 68, 69?
So 69.
This one completed? 67th is done. Shall I clear it? Yes, Karan, Gora, done 67.
Yes, sir.
60, 69 you want, huh?
Yes.
69. Potential is measured at a point X due to some charges as V is 20 upon X square minus 4. So V depends upon X as shown. Electric field we want when X is 4 micrometer, which is same as 4 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter. Okay. E is minus dV by X. Do you know if Y is U upon V, then what is derivative formula?
U minus V U dash upon
It is
numerator
V derivative of U
U by
minus
dx.
U derivative of V upon V square. Na? Is your knowing formula?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So I am using that formula now. So for me, U is 20, V is X square minus 4 and derivative of 20 minus 20 into derivative of denominator, which is x square minus 4 upon x square minus 4 the whole square. What is derivative of 20?
0.
Is it 0?
0.
Derivative of constant is 6. So this is minus of x square minus 4 into 0 minus 20 into 2x upon x square minus 4 the whole square. So minus of minus 40x upon x square minus 4 the whole square. That will become 40x upon x square minus 4 the whole square. Answer is given in micrometer only. So I need not convert in meter because everywhere it is volt per micrometer. So this is equals to 40 into x is 4, 4 square minus 4 the whole square. That is 160 upon 4 square 16. 16 minus 4 is 12. 12 square 144. 12 square is 144. 8 into 20. 8 into 18. Then 2 into 10. 2 into 9. 10 by 9 is there at two places. So A or D. And in which direction? Positive x or negative x? That is what we have to calculate. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Positive x or negative x they are telling. Which x we got?
Positive.
Positive.
बस वही आंसर
Positive.
या हो गया आगे आंसर थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट था बिकॉज वो डेरिवेटिव क्लिक होना चाहिए Done? Yes, done.
Sir.
Can you tell me 70 71 में which doubt? 70 71?
Sir, 71.
71. Work done by electric field during displacement of negatively charged particle towards fixed positive charge is 9 joule. As a result, distance between charge has to be decreased by half. The work done in electric field, what work is done by electric field over the first half of this distance? Okay. Work done by electric field during the displacement of negative charge particle towards this is 9 joule. During this distance, first R, then it comes to work done by electric field over first half of this distance. As a result, distance between charge has been decreased by half. So this becomes R by 2. We want what is work done by electric field over the first half of this distance. See, from one point, if I call this as A to B, and this is C. So when it comes from A to B, then work done is 9 joule. Distance becomes half. So that means this remaining distance also is half. They're telling what is the work done over first half of this distance. First half of this distance means which distance?
A to B.
A to B नहीं. A to B तक आया तो 9 जूल हो गया, ये डिस्टेंस हाफ हो गया. तो इसका पार्ट बोला बीच वाला, इसके बीच का. इधर से इधर आया मतलब work done in first case is 9 joule. What is formula for potential between 2 points? Because potential difference is work done into charge. See, work done is nothing but potential energy only. So when it is a distance of r, there must be some potential. It is nothing but 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q minus q upon distance r. Okay. Then it comes up till this point. Now distance becomes r by 2. So 1 upon 4 pi epsilon, same charge q, but distance is r by 2. This change in potential difference is called work done. ये ऊपर गया तो 2 हो जाएगा. That will be 2 times 1 upon 4 pi epsilon q in minus. So 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q and minus q you can take common. Inside we will get 1 upon r minus of 2 by r. Q and minus q are taken common. So this becomes u1 minus u2 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. This is 2r, 1r minus 2r. So q into q in minus. This will be also minus 1 upon r. So finally it will become plus. So therefore work done from 1 to 2 is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. That is 9 equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. This is first. फर्स्ट कंडीशन क्लियर? हेलो,
Yes, sir.
अभी इधर आया उसका हाफ पे, तो सी डैश ये कितना डिस्टेंस होगा? r/4 ना?
Sir.
This much copy. Now it is just taking ratio type. Just copy this much, so that 1/4 pi epsilon q by r is 9. You remember, and will take ratio. Now I will just take u1 minus u3. That's it, and divide it. This is also very good sum. Change in work done is nothing but potential energy between 2 points. Now, third case u3 is nothing but 1/4 pi epsilon naught minus q cube. Distance is r/4. So it will become minus of 4q cube upon 4 pi epsilon 0 r. So this means u1 minus u3 equals to 1/4 pi epsilon naught minus q, capital Q you can take common, inside 1/r minus of 4 by r. That is 1/4 pi epsilon naught minus q cube into by r. Or this is nothing but minus 3 by r. Therefore, that is 1/4 pi epsilon naught they want potential at that point या work done क्या बोले?
Work done.
Work done इतना ना तो हो गया. So this will be 3 by r. Second equation. So first work done we got. Now second work done we have to find. I took direct difference here. Divide कर दो हो गया. So this will come 9 upon this work done is equals to, everything will get cancelled, 1 upon q by r. This is r by 3. So it will come 3 by 1 when you divide. 3 joule is the answer. 3 joule. Hello?
Yes, sir.
आंसर इज 3
What?
joules. So 2 पॉइंट का बीच का वर्क डन इज नथिंग बट पोटेंशियल एनर्जी एट दैट. मार्क इट पॉइंट ना, प्लीज प्रैक्टिस. थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है ऐसा. डिफिकल्ट मतलब इतना ज्यादा किया नहीं था न्यूमेरिकल है ऑन दिस. आफ्टर दिस 72, 73. Yes, 72, 73.
24.
74. A particle of positive charge Q is fixed at a point P. A particle of positive charge Q is fixed at point. A second particle of mass M and negative charge minus Q moves at constant speed in a circle of radius R centered at P. Okay. This is fixed charge at P. Another charge of mass M, charge minus Q, is moved with constant speed at distance R1. Work must be done by an external agent on second particle. Okay. Second particle. Second particle means this particle which is moving. Second particle. To increase the radius of motion to R2. So you have to move this first charge to second charge. What is work done? So if I find potential at this circle and potential at this circle, work done is difference between the two. Yes, what is potential energy at first path minus
Minus
potential energy at second path. So potential energy at first path is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q minus Q upon R1 minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q minus Q upon R2. Therefore, this will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q minus Q inside 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. So if I take minus inside, QQ upon 4 pi epsilon naught minus 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. So that will be QQ upon 4 pi epsilon 1 by R2 minus 1 by R1. 1 by R2 minus 1 by R1. Option C. See, this is work done, must be done by agent बोला है ना साथ में. What must be work done by external agent, not that by body. So external agent will do opposite of this work. See, work done by charge is this much. Now work done by external agent is opposite of work done by that charge. Opposite. Therefore it will become by agent बोला, external agent will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon QQ upon this 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. So it is not given by the charge, it is given by the external agent. तो बाहर वाले को कितना फोर्स लगेगा. That means if you are moving ahead and wind is blowing you behind, तो पीछे से कोई तो आपको फोर्स दे रहा है which is against आप जितना काम करने वाले. If it is by the charge given, then it would be the answer which we got 1 upon R2 minus 1 upon R.
So what will be the option, correct option for it?
Correct option will be 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2 D.
Weight of external is equal to minus of
Yeah, minus of work done by the charge. External agent मतलब बाहर से बैटरी, उसको external agent बोलते हैं.
one is provided.
So this is external agent. ये charge लिखा है, charge. So that will be minus of ये पूरा जो आया आंसर. So 1 upon 4 pi epsilon minus minus plus 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2 option. If it is given by the charge, then it would be option C. Then 75.
Yes, sir. 75.
Sir,
75 what?
sir, 74 में in the answer key it is given option B.
No, no, option D is the answer. That might be wrong.
Okay, sir.
Eight cannot come, no? Because it is 4 pi epsilon. So there might be some mistake.
Yes, sir.
After this 75,
Yes, sir.
75, 76, 77 उसमें which one? From 76, 77, which one? Achha, you got both?
77.
Then 78, 79, 80.
78.
78. चलो इधर पहला दो कर लेता हूँ. 75. Two fixed charges of 5 microcoulomb are separated by 6 meter. C is midpoint of line joining A and B. Charge of minus 5 microcoulomb is short perpendicular to line joining A and B through C. Okay. With kinetic energy 0.06 joule. Charge Q comes to rest at a point D. Then what is distance between C and D? Distance between C and D. Two fixed charge A, B of 5 microcoulomb each are separated by distance of 6 meter. 5 microcoulomb each. Are separated by 6 meter. At center point C of line joining A and B, charge of minus 5 microcoulomb is short perpendicular to line joining through C with kinetic energy of 0.06 joule at this point. It comes to rest at point D. Find what is distance CD. ये कितना है? 3 होगा because 6 है. हेलो हेलो
Yes.
ये मिड पॉइंट है तो 3 हो गया. We are interested in this distance CD. This charge comes here after some point. ठीक है? And comes to rest. So can I say potential energy at this point is loss in kinetic energy? नहीं समझे? मतलब kinetic energy is given at that point C is equals to potential energy at D ना, क्योंकि उधर रेस्ट पे आ गया ना. Okay? हेलो
Yes, sir.
तो ये कितना है? माइनस ऑफ ये was 0.06. Potential energy due to two charge. This distance I am taking R. This is also R. Same here. So 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon this potential between this is Q upon distance R. और इधर से ये चार्ज का पोटेंशियल सेम हो जाएगा. पोटेंशियल एनर्जी ड्यू टू द टू चार्जेस 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. That means 0.06 is 2 into 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q square upon R. That is 6 into 10 raised to minus 2 is 2 into 9 into 10 raised to 9. Q square means 25 into 10 raised to minus 6 into minus 6 upon R. 2 into 3 is 6. Put the 3 6 3 3s are 9. Therefore, this R equals to 75 into 25 into 3 75 into minus 3 minus 6 12 12 and this 9 will become 10 raised to minus 3 upon 10 raised to minus 2. So R will become 75 into 10 raised to minus 1. It's nothing but 7.5. Minus 500. एक सेकंड है, फिर से वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करता हूं. Two fixed charge A and B are separated by 6 charge separated by 6 meter. So initial potential is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R upon R. Then when another charge is shot from here, it comes to rest. So now that kinetic energy of this plus potential of this will become kinetic energy 0 plus potential energy. This is 3 3. This is suppose 3 3 था, that was 6. The potential energy of this point is equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon from here. The velocity is maximum potential between these two. That is second potential will be this is here. So potential here is where upon distance R 2 times because both the charges. So this difference in potential will be minus F. That is initial potential. Final will be more. Final minus initial is half m square. Final is V2 minus of A V2 minus V1 is equals to half v square. Therefore, it will become minus minus plus 4 times 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 4 times q 3 times 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. This is meter value. Charge is 25 into 10 raised to minus 12. Time distance 6. So, first distance is 6, new distance is 25. 537. So calculation lengthy, wait, I will calculate and send you the solution because root will come, just wait. So before that I am doing other one. Concept is same, change in potential energy. Kinetic energy is nothing but change in potential. Approximately I feel answer will come 4. 3, 4, 5 ka Pythagoras hoega. Then you want 77, na? 75 I am just keeping on hold. 77. A charged particle q is shot towards another charged particle q, which is fixed with speed v. Q is fixed. A charged particle q is fired on this with velocity v. It approaches to the q up to closest distance of r. Up to closest distance of r, and then returns. If q is shot back with 2v, then closest distance of approach will be how much? Okay. अभी देखो इधर से फायर किया, इधर अप्रोच कर दिया, इसका मतलब इधर काइनेटिक एनर्जी जीरो हो गया उसका. हेलो, when it is fired from A, it stops here. They are telling it approaches closest distance of r between them. That means इसका पूरा energy gets converted into kinetic energy.
Yes.
Then they are telling if the speed is doubled, what will be the approach distance? So if I get 1, other I will just divide. So can I say it comes and stops here? So half mv square becomes potential energy at that point. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon q cube upon distance r. Then when speed is doubled, so half m 2 v the whole square 1 upon 4 pi epsilon q cube, if it stops at r dash, which is what we have to calculate. So taking ratio, this will become 1 upon 4 equals to r dash upon r. So r dash will be equals to r by 4. Is that r dash by 4? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So kinetic energy gets converted into potential energy at this point. If equation लिख लिया, speed double किया तो distance आपको ढूंढना है, इससे r dash. So when you take ratio 1 by 4, ये ऊपर जाएगा r dash by 4. So r by 4 option A. Followed? Completed. Tell after this one which you want.
Wait, sir.
78.
In the figure, a particle of mass 5 gram and charge of q dash starts from rest at point A and moves in a straight line to point B. What is speed B at point B? Okay. This is 3 into 10 raised to minus 9 minus 3 into 10 raised to minus 9. A at 1 centimeter, here B at 1 centimeter. This is a charge Q dash 2 into 10 raised to minus 9 starts from rest at A and moves to the point B. What is speed here of that point? First it was at rest, then we want speed at that point. So whenever it is rest converted into motion, it has to be law of conservation of energy. Some number 78. Kinetic energy at A plus potential energy at A should become kinetic energy at A plus potential energy at B. Kinetic energy at A because it was at rest 0 plus potential energy at AB1. Potential energy, can I say it is Q dash into potential at A? Work done is potential difference upon the charge which is moved. The potential difference work done upon charge is potential difference. So Q into कर दिया because ये charge का electric field आएगा. So Q dash into VA. Okay, this also follow first line. First line follow, first line this one.
What's
KB we have to find, potential at B we have to calculate, energy at B. At B, it will again become Q dash into potential at B. We are interested in kinetic energy. So one more line I am writing. Q dash potential at A, this is half m velocity at B square plus Q dash potential at B. So indirectly it will become Q dash VA minus Q dash VB equal to half m velocity at B square. So velocity at B is twice 2 goes up, Q dash common. Potential at A minus potential at B upon m into. Please copy this one first. By law of conservation of energy here. Now if I calculate VA, VB, then I can substitute to get the answer. Did I clear this?
Done, sir.
Now, potential at A and potential at B we have to find. Potential at A is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught discharge 3 into 10 raised to minus 9, and this distance 1 centimeter, which is 10 raised to minus 2 meter, plus this minus 3 into 10 raised to minus 9 charge. Its distance from A is 2 centimeter. That is 2 into 10 raised to minus 2. So this is 9 into 10 raised to 9. Ten raised to minus 9 and minus 2 we can bring outside. 10 raised to minus 9 upon 10 raised to minus 2. So 3 minus 3 by 2. That will become 9 into 10 raised to plus 2 into 6 minus 3, 9 upon 2. 2 3 is 6 minus 3, 3 by 2. So it is 9 into 1.5 into 10 raised to 2. That will become 15 into 9, 135. 1350 volts. Then potential at B. Okay, find potential at A, copy. Potential at B, 9 into 10 raised to 9, 3 into 10 raised to minus 9 is a distance of 2 centimeter. So 2 into 10 raised to minus 2. And this is 3 into 10 raised to minus 9 at distance of 1 to 10 raised to minus 2. That means this time 3 by 2 minus 3 it will become. Minus 3 by 2 minus 1350. So first we got plus 1350 and B we are getting minus 1350. Now I'm clearing this, okay? BA minus BB is 1350 minus of 1350, that will become 2700. Therefore our velocity is 2 times charge 2 into 10 raised to minus 9 into potential difference 2700 upon mass 5 gram is 5 into 10 raised to minus 3 joule. So V equals to 2 into 2 4 into 27 upon 5. This is 10 raised to 2 and minus 9 minus 7 upon minus 3 root. That will become V equals to 2 into 7. 4 into 7 28, 4 to the 8 into 10 upon 5 in root. Into 10 raised to minus 4 becomes 10 raised to minus 2 meter per second. That is nearly 20. 20 square root is slightly greater than 4. So it is greater than 4 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter per second or 4 centimeter per second. So just check 4 centimeter per second का closest वाला 4.5 के आसपास है क्या? चेक.
Yes, so C option.
Sir, options.
Options. See, this type of sum you can't do in 1 minute. So now for NEET though it won't come, but definitely they can ask this sum for JEE. In NEET and CET they will not give this lengthy calculation wala sum. $79.80. $79.80 you got?
Yes, sir.
79.80 was easy, definitely you might have got. 81, 82, 83. 81, 82, 83.
83.
83. Identify false statement. Inside charged or neutral conductor, electric field is 0. Correct. Inside charge or neutral conductor, electric field is always 0. We have done this. We want false. Electrostatic field at the surface must be tangential to the surface. No, it is perpendicular. Na? See, field at the surface is perpendicular, no, like this, not tangential. So this is false statement. Electrostatic potential is constant throughout the volume of conductor. Yes, potential inside throughout constant. Electric field at the surface is proportional to surface charge density. ये भी बराबर. So option B is the wrong one. Hello?
Yes, sir.
After this, 84.
84. Yes, sir.
84, okay. 84 वाला मैं कल थियरी पढ़ाऊंगा तभी बताता हूँ. डाइलेक्ट्रिक एंड पोलराइजेशन का ना कल थियरी बताने वाला. So will not waste time today because theory you have not done. 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Which one you have doubt?
So how to solve 85th one?
85. That is only doubt now. 85, that means there is doubt. How to solve this? We have to solve that. This is number register. This is the very beautiful sum of this one. Battery of 5 volt. The 1 ohm. 20. 8 farad. 4 ohm. Capacitor 8 is shown. Charge on the plate of capacitor V bond. Charge on the plate of capacitor V bond. जब भी ऐसा रहेगा ना कंडेंसर, इसका मतलब इसको ओपन सर्किट बोलते हैं. गैप है ना, ये इधर गैप है ना, गैप. So the circuit becomes open circuit. Hello?
Yes.
इधर वोल्टेज होएगा लेकिन इसमें से करंट नहीं जाता है। रीजन, ये बीच में गैप है ना, स्पेस, तो दिस सर्किट इज लाइक दिस, ये दो पॉइंट के बीच में ओपन हो गया। अभी ये कंडेंसर है लेकिन करंट नहीं फ्लो हो रही, तो करंट अपना पूरा इधर से खाली जाने वाला है ऐसा। 1 and 5, this is 4. Now tell me, A, B, C, D वाला पार्ट में ये वायर कट गया ऐसा सोचो, इधर से वायर कट गया। What is total resistance between A, B, C, D? Is it 5? 4 plus 1, 5?
Yes.
So resistance between A, B, C, D is 5 ohm. So what will be current? Voltage upon resistance. 5 by 5, is it 1 ampere?
Yes.
तो 1 एम्पियर इधर से जाके इसके अंदर से रिटर्न आएगा। अभी इसके अंदर वोल्टेज कितना होगा बोलो? 4 वोल्ट ना? इसके अंदर वोल्टेज कितना होगा? 4 ना? V इक्वल टू आई है 4 वोल्ट। दोनों को क्या चाहिए? 4। तो इसको अक्रॉस में भी वोल्टेज 4 वोल्ट, वायर टूट गया लेकिन वोल्टेज थोड़ी किधर जाता है, तो इसको वोल्टेज कितना मिलेगा? 4। नाउ व्हाट इज फार्मूला फॉर चार्ज? Q इक्वल टू CV। तो कैपेसिटी इसका 8, वोल्टेज 4, which is 32। ये आंसर 32। मतलब ये ओपन सर्किट है ऐसा, पूरा वोल्टेज इधर आएगा। ये थोड़ा और क्लियर होएगा व्हेन वी स्टार्ट विद करंट, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एंड ईएमआई। राइट नाउ यू फॉलो, ये पूरा पार्ट ओपन करके फेंक देना, तो इसका अंदर जो भी वोल्टेज आएगा ना वो इसका अक्रॉस में होता है। Yes, 85 clear now?
Yes.
Yes.
86, 87, 88,
86.
86। Okay. चलो we'll stop here. Don't take tension क्योंकि दिमाग में जाएगा नहीं। Next class we'll do. So 8 और 86 लास्ट करके we'll stop. 86. Diameter of a plate of parallel plate condenser is 6 centimeter if capacity is equals to that of sphere. Diameter of the plate of parallel plate condenser is 6 centimeter. If the capacity of is equals to that of sphere, of diameter 200 centimeter. What is separation between plate of condenser? What is capacity formula for parallel plate? Is it AK epsilon 0 upon distance? Hello?
Yes, sir.
And for sphere, it is nothing but Q by V, which is Q upon 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon radius का sphere. That means it is 4 pi epsilon 0 R. C of parallel plate is same as C of capacitor बोला है, बराबर? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Just copy this one.
Answer.
C of parallel plate is A, K epsilon 0 by D is 4 pi epsilon 0 by into radius. So A means area of the plate we have to find. which is 5 into diameter 6 centimeter. Diameter 6 centimeter. That means it is 6 upon 2 into 10 raised to minus 2 square. Dielectric medium not given 1. Epsilon 0 you can cancel from both sides. Upon distance between plate we want D. This is 4. So 5 you can say the 5 and R. Sphere car 200
It can be
centimeter.
cancelled.
That means 1 meter. So 5 cancel. 2 into 3. So we get 3 9 into 10 raised to minus 4 upon 4 equals to distance between plate. So 2.25 into 10 raised to minus 4 is distance between plate. Option D. 2 मिनट रुकते क्या 90 तक कंप्लीट ही कर देता हूँ और you are able to withstand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Because next three are all are similar 87 88 80 90 तक same ही है. Then 87th you want? Hello 87th?
No, sir.
अरे आ गया 87?
No, sir.
अरे वाह 88 फिर वो भी आया होगा 88 also got?
No, sir.
हाँ yes or no?
No.
अगर 87 आया तो 88 तो सेम है ना. Two metallic sphere radius charge connected by wire final charge on the bigger sphere. तो अगर 87 भी नहीं आया मतलब आपको फिर तो झूठा बोल रहे 87 आ गया. 87 88 सेम नहीं लग रहा है. 1 centimeter means 0.01 meter, 3 centimeter means 0.03 सेम टाइप है ना. चलो समझाता हूँ. टू स्फीयर्स एक का रेडियस r1 दूसरे का रेडियस r2 व्हेन यू कनेक्ट देम बाय वायर बताया था मुझे लग रहा है ऐसा. The final charge on bigger sphere we want. See, first remember this concept. Before connection, this is total charge. Before they are joined. And after, suppose charge on first is q dash, second is q2 dash, but total will remain same by law of conservation of charge. Now they will charge discharge till voltages become same of both the sphere. So 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q1 dash upon r1 is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q2 dash upon r2. This will get cancelled. That means q2 dash is q1 dash into r2 upon r1. Q total is q1 dash plus q2 dash, which is q1 dash r2 upon r1. So q total q1 dash common will be r1 plus r2 upon r1. That means q1 dash is r1 upon r1 plus r2 of q total. Similarly, q2 dash will become r2 upon r1 plus r2 of q total. I have divided these two formulas from this concept, and then I get all sphere जब भी ऐसा रहेगा. आप लोग पहला ये लिख लो concept, फिर मैं डायरेक्ट 2 मिनट का 30 सेकंड में करूंगा. But provided you know, whenever two charged sphere are joined together by conducting wire, then charge on first is r1 upon r1 plus r2 into q total. Charge on second is r2 upon r1 plus r2 q total. I don't know how you told that 87th you got. दोनों तो exactly same.
Done, sir.
पार्वती अभी भी इसके लेक्चर चल ही रहे हैं, कल करते हैं। हाँ उसके बाद थोड़ा रुक जाएंगे। नहीं 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 कल नहीं नहीं कल लेक्चर के बाद मेरा तुरंत 3:30 को कल। हाँ हाँ बेस्ट 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 यस यस। See, now this is done. Now see how I will do this sum in just hardly 30 seconds. Sum number 88. R1 1 centimeter, R2 3 centimeter, Q1 -1 into 10 raised to -2 coulomb, Q2 5 into 10 raised to -2 coulomb. So total charge 4 into 10 raised to -2 coulomb. Find they are connected by wire. Find charge on bigger one. Bigger मतलब ये. So Q2 dash is R2 upon R1 plus R2 of Q total. That is 3 upon 1 plus 3 into total charge is 4 into 10 raised to -2. 4 cancel. 3 into 10 raised to -2. Okay. Hello, understood? Hello?
I got you.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, yes. And I didn't convert it into meter because the ratio है ना centimeter cancel होता है. One more I will do for you. 87th also. I don't know. You are telling you got how you got. Let me see. Shall I clear now? 88.
Yes, sir.
87. Same time. Sphere of radius 0.01 meter. Second one 0.02 meter. Charge on first is 15 millicoulomb. Charge on second is 45 millicoulomb. Total charge is 60 millicoulomb. I added. They are connected by wire. Final charge on the first sphere. So Q1 dash will be R1 upon R1 plus R2 of Q total. 0.01, 0.01, 0.02 into total charge 60 milli. So this is 0.01, 0.03 into 60. That is same as 1 by 3 into 60 equals to 20 millicoulomb, which is same as 20 into 10 raised to -3. So answer 20. Last sum 90th I am doing, so that our 90 is completed. Shall I clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. A conducting sphere of radius 10 is charged with 10 microcoulomb. An uncharged sphere, मतलब Q20 uncharged sphere, having radius of 20 centimeter is touched to it. After that, spheres are separated. Okay, touch and separated. Then surface charge density of ratio will be out. Okay. Total charge is 10 microcoulomb. So charge on first one after touching is radius 10 upon 10 plus 20 into 10 total charge. That is 100 upon 30, which is 10 by 3. Second charge is 20 upon 20 plus 10 of total charge 10. मतलब 200 upon 30, 20 by 3. They want ratio of surface charge. Surface charge is charge upon area. So first charge upon second charge, surface charge will be charge on first one upon 4 pi r1 square into charge of second 4 pi r2 square. 4 pi cancel. Q1 dash is 10 by 3. Q2 dash is 20 by 3. R2 is 20. R1 10 the whole square. 0 0 cancel. 3 3 cancel. इसका भी 0 cancel. So 1 by 2 into 2 by 1. 4 by 1. So answer is 2:1. Have you followed? 2:1. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Same concept. See, R1, Q1, Q2 charge 0, R2. So after touching, first find total charge. Then R1 upon R1 plus R2 into total. R2 upon R2 plus R1 into total. So till 90 I have completed. 75 I have not done. I will calculate it then. Explain in the class. Calculation in the class.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Yes, that's all for today. Enjoy your late night. Tomorrow morning we are meeting again at 7:30.